Hi friends, today my topic వచ్చేసి how many sea coasts are there in our country. There are mainly 6 sea coasts are there in our country. Coromandel coast, Utkal coast, Canara coast, Malabar coast, Konkan coast, Gujarat coast or Kathiawar coast. Mainly first sea coast, Coromandel coast occupies 2 states. They are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Second sea coast, Utkal sea coast occupies Odisha, West Bengal. Third sea coast, Canara coast, it occupies Karnataka state. Fourth one, Malabar coast, it occupies Kerala state. Fifth one, Konkan coast, it occupies Maharashtra, Goa. Sixth one, Gujarat sea coast, it occupies Gujarat state. Some of the tributaries, some of the territorious sea coasts are there. Puducherry, Andaman Nicobar Divulu, Lakshadweeps. There are also sea coasts are there. Andaman Nicobar Divulu sea coast is known as Andaman sea coast. Puducherry sea coast is known as Puducherry sea coast. Lakshadweep sea coast is known as Lakshadweep sea coast. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.